Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the process. Open Wallet and confirm your UK debit or credit card is active. This is how Apple verifies funds. Once done, make sure your device has network access and that the person you're paying can receive Apple Pay via iMessage or in person. You do this now so the payment flow is smooth. If their device is offline, the transfer may not appear immediately. Now position yourself to send money in iMessage or via Contact Pay and proceed. You open messages with the recipient conversation, tap the Apple Pay icon, and type the exact amount. This is where you control the charge. Make sure to select the correct UK card if you have multiples, because the chosen card determines fees and processing. After adding a short reason or splitting details, you authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. This confirms your identity and authorizes the transfer. Once authenticated, tap Pay and wait. The app processes and shows a pending or completed status. You finish by checking the messages thread and wallet for a transaction record. That confirms the money left your account. If it's pending, make sure both devices have internet, your card isn't blocked, and the recipient's Apple Pay settings accept payments. Network retries often resolve delays. If the payment fails or reverses, contact your bank for card issues or Apple support for Apple ID and wallet troubleshooting. Keep the transaction screenshot ready. It speeds resolution when you call or chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.